In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a journal report on Xero in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Xero or have been using it for a while but have not ventured into reports much, this guide will take you through every step needed to access your journal reports swiftly and efficiently. Firstly, let's head over to Xero. For those who might not be familiar, Xero is an online accounting software designed for small to medium-sized businesses. It's a powerful tool that can simplify your accounting processes. And today we're diving into one of its useful features, retrieving journal reports. Once you're on the Xero homepage, your next action is to log into your account. To do this, look towards the top right corner of the page and you'll see the login button. Clicking on this will direct you to the login page, a gateway to your financial data and the vast array of features Xero offers. At the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Here, you need to type in your email and password associated with your Xero account. Make sure to double check your input to avoid any access issues. Once you've entered your login details, go ahead and click on the login button to access your dashboard. This step is pretty straightforward, but remember, if you encounter any login issues, it might be worth checking if your caps lock is on or if there are any spelling errors in your email and password. Now that you're logged into Xero, we're going to navigate to the accounting section where the journal reports reside. This may seem daunting at first, especially if you're not familiar with the interface, but don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. Look for an option that says Accounting in your dashboard or menu. This is usually located on the top navigation bar. Once you find it, hover or click to reveal a drop-down menu. From here, you'll want to select Reports to move to the next step. After clicking on Reports, you're getting closer to accessing your desired journal reports. The next step involves navigating to the Taxes and Balances section. This might involve a bit of scrolling depending on your screen size or device, but you're looking for a section or link that specifically mentions taxes and balances. Clicking on this will bring you a step closer to your journal reports. Finally, we've reached the point where you can access the journal report. Within the Taxes and Balances section, look for Journal Report or a similarly titled link. This is your gateway to viewing the journal reports that Xero has prepared based on your accounting data. Click on Journal Report to open up the world of transaction histories, financial adjustments, and much more, all neatly compiled in one place. And there you have it. Following these steps will lead you directly to the journal reports you need within Xero. This tool is incredibly useful for account reconciliation, tracking financial transactions, and a whole host of other accounting necessities. Remember, accessing your journal reports regularly can provide valuable insights into your business's financial health, helping you make informed decisions as you move forward. Before I wrap up, a quick tip. While navigating through Xero or looking for specific reports, remember that Xero often updates its interface and features to improve user experience. If at any point you find that the labels or navigation steps have slightly changed since this tutorial, don't worry. The general navigation logic remains the same, and you'll be able to find what you're looking for with a bit of exploring. I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to access your journal reports on Xero quickly and efficiently. Remember, staying on top of your business's financial reports is crucial for its success. By utilizing tools like Xero, you're taking a significant step towards financial clarity and efficiency in your business operations. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out through comments or seek help from Xero's support team. Happy accounting!